In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Volatility Quality Index, or VQI, indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open and visible on your screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It is usually located near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can find and add all kinds of tools and scripts to your chart. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. Inside this panel, you will see different tabs and categories. But to keep it simple, go straight to the search bar at the top. This search bar lets you quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists, which is especially helpful if you are using TradingView Pro with a lot of available tools. Click into the search bar and start typing Volatility Quality Index, VQI. You do not have to type it perfectly from the beginning. Once you have written most of the name, TradingView will usually auto-suggest it in the results below. Look carefully through the suggestions and find the one labeled Volatility Quality Index, VQI. When you see it, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually in a separate pane below the price candles. Now that the VQI indicator is on your chart, the next step is to customize it, so it matches your trading style and is easy for you to read. Move your cursor over to the VQI pane and you should see a small settings icon appear, often shaped like a gear. Click on that settings icon. This will open a settings window where you can adjust the inputs, colors, line thickness, and overall appearance of the Volatility Quality Index. Take a moment to experiment with these options and choose colors and styles that clearly stand out against your chart background. You can always come back and change these settings later if you need to. Finally, if you do not already have TradingView Pro and want access to this indicator in the same way that I am showing here, use the link in my description to sign up. That link will take you straight to the sign up page, where you can create or upgrade your account and start using the Volatility Quality Index and many other advanced tools right away.